Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Major Frog token. Ticker symbol is Major. Now this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain with a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, over $500,000 in trading volume today, and this token is up 23.94% right now. We're going to go over the information on the Major Frog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the web page for this project is themajorfrog.com. If you go over there, you're going to find the contract address right at the top of the page. There's going to be a link to their socials, Telegram and Twitter. And they have a DEX screener chart there. You can also find this token on SolScan and DEX Tools. Your cursor turns into a frog. You can play a little video on their page. It says ground control to Major Frog. It says NASA is a murderer. Now, obviously, this is, take this with a grain of salt. This is very much just a meme coin here. Let's not take this too seriously. It says they killed a frog at NASA Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia on September 6, 2013, 11:27 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, this could have happened, but I mean, I don't know. I wasn't there. Attention commanders, NASA is not to be trusted. Neil wouldn't even swear on the Bible. What are they hiding about Major Frog? And it says the Major Frog incident, a glimpse into the truth that they don't want us to see. So history was made September 6th, 2013. It says they launched for nothing to nowhere. Major Frog ascends, sees Earth is flat, the moon never was, no moon, no stars, no truth, all lies. Major Frog's sacrifice is the wake-up call. He has been martyred. Conspiracies converge. They are hiding everything. Flat Earth, no moon. Why Frog die if no moon? Major Frog knew the truth, and now so do we. It's all NASA. It's all fake. Moon is a myth. Government in the walls. Major Frog didn't need to die. Major Frog must live on. So anyways, that is the meme. And then on their webpage, they have tons of meme pictures that you could share. It's a way for the community to kind of shill out the token here. It says protect Major at all costs, and they have a contact email at the bottom of their page, launchfrog@gmail.com. Very tiny print on their webpage. But if you go to their Telegram, which is linked on the page here, at Major Frog Portal, they have 203 subscribers. It says just a launched frog. And you can preview the channel before joining, but that Telegram is going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter here, where you're going to see new token listing announcements, new partnerships, memes, updates, all that type of stuff. And on this Twitter right here, you can see they have a link to their Telegram and a link to the webpage. They just joined in October 2024, almost 1,000 followers, 968 followers right now, blue verified check mark, 263 tweets. And so it says here, a camera captured this intriguing photo of a frog as NASA's Lady spacecraft lifts off at Wallops Flight Facility. I mean, frogs get in the way sometimes, you know, frogs be jumping around, things happen. I mean, I wasn't there, but, you know, mistakes were made, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so this token is also on CoinGecko. On DEX Tools, you could find a link to a Reddit as well. They have 2,160 holders so far, so a decent amount of holders. It looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token. So right now they have 988.43 million total token supply, and that's also their circulating supply. Now, if you wanted to get this token here, it is available on a decentralized exchange for Solana tokens called Meteora. There's a liquidity pool of $472,000 worth of liquidity in Meteora, and 99.31% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Now, first of all, if you wanted to get this token, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust Wallet, Soulflare Wallet, Phantom Wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund it with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You could download your wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. And after you funded your wallet, you go into the dApps, find Meteora, and then you would trade your Sol for the major token using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, themajorfrog.com, which is linked right on the Twitter here. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. And there is going to be a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off a DEX like Meteora. This token could be available on Jupiter and Raydium as well, which are two other decentralized exchanges for Solana tokens. Now, this token was created on Moonshot. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $503,000. They've had 5,097 transactions today. They're almost up 29%. Their market cap is $14.6 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Token price is about 1.48 cents per token. This token pair was just created on Meteora 5 days, 20 hours ago, so this is a brand new token here. They have a quick audit that says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. And then they have another quick audit on DEX Tools. Their DEX score is 99 out of 99. And their quick audit by Quick Intel Security says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, you know, those are all just quick audits. They're not full audits, and you should always thoroughly do your own research before investing in any token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.